caramel.
Hello everyone! It's nice to see you. Are you having fun with 80 foods? I'm having fun too. I really like food. This time we will learn about caramels. In the picture, you see brown pieces of caramel. Let's start by learning some words.
Melt. When a solid thing changes to a liquid, it is melted. Usually, heat turns the solid thing into a liquid. In the picture, the ice is melting. We see the melted part on the bottom of the ice. The ice is turning to liquid. Dessert. This is pudding. Pudding is a popular dessert. Dessert is something we eat after a meal. What is your favorite dessert?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Melt. Dessert.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Do you like sweet food? How about caramel? Caramel is very sweet. It is made of sugar and butter. The picture shows milk caramel. It is made of milk, sugar, and butter. When we chew caramel, it slowly melts. There is also liquid caramel. We use it for some desserts. We put it on ice cream, pie, and cake. But you should know caramel is bad for your teeth.
What is the main ingredient in caramel? Cream. Sugar. What is true? Caramel is good for your teeth. We put liquid caramel on ice cream.
Do you like caramels? What is your favorite flavor? This is the end of our class. Goodbye.